we offer a mined bioprinted process for preparing microcarriers with a good controllability and biocompatibility. After encapsulation by cells, the carriers can also be used in vitro cell expansion and functional microtissue construction.
Limited displacement rather than severe forces and thermal conditions act on the nozzle during the printing process, maintaining the original physical-chemical properties of the bioink to the maximum extent.
In addition to conventional microcarriers, units with internal cell distribution or tryptophan-encapsulated capsule structures can be constructed and applied to the assembly of different tissue structures.
For the nozzle preparation, load glass micropipettes onto the puller according to the manufacturer's instructions and set the pulling parameters for the puller. Use a microforge to cut off the nozzle at the designated diameter to obtain the specific tip diameter for the experiment, and sterilize the nozzle in alcohol for 5 minutes. Then rinse the nozzle 3 times with sterile water to remove any residual alcohol. To prepare the hydrogel bioink, dilute sterilized 4% sodium alginate stock solution in 0.9% sodium chloride at 0.5, 1, 1.5, and 2% weight by volume concentrations. For microdroplet formation, load 5 ml of bioink into a disposable sterile syringe and install the syringe onto a syringe pump. Using a 1 mm inner diameter hose, connect the syringe and printing nozzle. Tighten the clamping screw to secure the nozzle.